In today's video, I'll teach you how to cancel Crunchyroll subscription. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I have opened Google Chrome. Now what you have to do is click on the search bar and type in crunchyroll.com. After you do that, press enter. Now you'll be led to the official website of Crunchyroll. Initially, you'll be led to the discover interface. Make sure you're logged in to your account. So at the top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to see this drop down icon. What you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be able to see your name over here. Likewise, you'll be able to find the options like switch profile, settings, watch list, etc. Click on this option settings that you can see at second. Now you'll be led to the settings interface of Crunchyroll. If you look at left, you'll be able to access the account settings. You'll be able to access the settings of general, account, purchase and credit, etc. So under the section for general, at first you'll be able to find the option for membership info. Click on it. Now you'll be able to see the membership information over here. From here you'll be able to change your plans, or you can also unsubscribe from the plan. If you have subscribed to any Crunchyroll premium plan, it will be displayed over here. Right now I do not have it, but I'll tell you what to do. Now what you have to do is find the plan that you would like to unsubscribe from. After you do that, you'll be able to find the option for cancel subscription. Click on it. Now what you have to do is follow through the prompts. Follow all the instructions that they tell you to do. After that, your subscription will be cancelled. So that is how you cancel Crunchyroll subscription. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.